Welcome back to Credence Hub. Today, we have the biggest YouTube announcement of 2025. YouTube just revealed 15 brand new features that will completely change how creators grow, earn, and connect with their audience. Stick around till the end because each feature could be a game changer for your channel. On screen text, YouTube 2025 update, 15 new features. YouTube logo plus quick clip shorts, monetization, analytics. If you're a YouTuber or planning to start in 2025, let's dive right in. Feature 1, YouTube Shorts Boost. Short speed going viral. YouTube is giving Shorts even more priority. With the new algorithm, short videos will get higher reach and visibility. Text overlay, Shorts equals more views and reach. Feature 2, AI-powered tools. AI thumbnail generator, title suggestions. Creators will now have access to AI tools like auto thumbnail generation, title suggestions, and even video idea prompts. Text overlay, AI tools for creators. Feature 3, improved analytics dashboard. Analytics graphs and charts. YouTube analytics are getting smarter. You'll see deeper audience insights, including when your viewers are most active. Text overlay, smarter analytics equals better growth. Feature 4, revenue expansion, monetization dashboard. Beyond ads, YouTube is adding new membership perks, gift memberships, and multiple revenue options. Text overlay, more monetization opportunities. Feature 5, podcast feature, YouTube podcast tab, mic animation. YouTube now supports podcasts directly. Audio creators can easily upload, manage, and grow their shows here. Text overlay, YouTube podcasts, feature 6, live streaming upgrade. Multiple guests in one live stream. Live streaming just got better. Multi-guest support and new interaction tools will make live sessions more engaging. Text overlay, multi-guest live, feature 7, music library expansion. YouTube audio library clips. The free music library is now bigger. Feature 8, collaboration features, split screen collaborations. YouTube is adding duet-style videos and co-creation features, making collaborations easier than ever. Text overlay, easy collaboration. Feature 9 to 15 quick highlights, animated feature icons. And here are the rest of the features at a glance. Flexible ad controls, 1 better comment moderation. 1 to advanced shorts editing tools. 3 multi-language subtitles. 1 for improved search and discovery. 5 YouTube Learning Hub, free training for new creators. 15 features equals new era for creators. Credence Hub logo plus subscribe button animation. These are the 15 biggest YouTube features of 2025. Which one are you most excited about? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Credence Hub, and turn on the bell notification so you never miss the latest creator updates. On screen text, like, subscribe, comment.